Hi and good evening to you all. Welcome to today's live stream. This is Livestream behind the scene. Today's live stream, I was supposed to have it earlier around 4, but I had something else doing. I had my students come to me. Excuse me, please. Okay, so I had my students come today for her section. So I was I was occupied. I couldn't come live. Then it rained at some point, and I couldn't, show up on the live stream. And I do not want today to end without me actually having the live stream section. So I'm going to actually be putting up a video much later. Let me say in 5 to 10 minutes time, I'll put up a video. I want to just go ahead and share what I was earlier, right? So in the course of this live stream, somebody asked me one of those days, not on the live stream though, but somebody who heard that I've been doing live stream challenge asked me, when you come on live, what do you talk about? Do you just sit and stare at the camera even if nobody is there? What do you do when you come on live? And I'm like, okay, this could be something to actually share about for other creators to learn from. Hi, good evening. Hello, good evening. If you're joining in, you're welcome to the live stream. Today is a little bit different because I won't be able to show my face. There's no power supply at the moment, but I still want to have the live stream and meet the meet my 7 days challenge, right? So I'm still just going to be sharing from behind the scenes. I'm actually right here. You will be hearing my voice, but you might not see my face. That's the reason why I put up my picture. You might be hearing my voice, but you won't see my face. So when you come on the live stream, please leave a comment. Leave a comment. Good evening. Later on in on the live stream, we're going to have an opportunity to play some riddles, right? But before I the radio. Hello, Stephen. Stephanie. Okay, hey, good evening, and welcome to the live stream section. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Please, when you comment, can you leave a comment like Stephanie has done? Let's get to interact. Before I put up a riddle, right? We're going to be dealing and handling some riddles this night. Before I get up on the riddle, I just want to just share what I really had in mind to share. Today being the 6th day of the challenge. I have been on the 7 days lesson challenge, and today happens to be the 6th day. I was supposed to have come out earlier, but for some reasons I was going to skip. It. There's no power supply, and I had the students come over, so I needed to attend to her, pay attention to her, so I couldn't actually have the live stream section. So I just thought, instead of me to just allow today to go without getting to achieve what I'm supposed to achieve, can I still have the live stream, still share what I want to share, then go ahead and just allow us to let me go ahead and just share about something I consider quite important. And what's that? I'm sharing about what you can do when you come on a live stream, right? What you can do when you come on a live stream. It's always important that you have something you want to talk about when you come on a live stream. So that you don't feel bored and you don't get to bore people that are on the live stream as well. What can you on the maybe tomorrow, right? The last day of the live stream, I'll talk about it properly. Um, so what I usually do when I come on a live stream like this, what I usually do is I go on. Thank God for ChatGPT now. Thank God for tools. I just go on chat and then I ask chat for ideas. I ask chat for ideas, script idea, topic ideas I can use for my live stream. Now when it gives me a script, because I'm using the same phone, I don't have a laptop here. I don't have another screen that I can view. Sometimes I go on to write the topic down, write out subtopics, write out talking points. I just go ahead and write them down. Then when I come on the live stream, I look from the book and share from my own experience. Right, that is one thing I do that helps me to stay on the live stream without feeling bored or getting people bored. Right, so I just go ahead and share from what I've written out and expand on it. Hi, good evening. If you're just joining in, you're welcome. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment. Leave a comment. I am right here, even though I'm behind the scene. Today's live stream section is going to be a bit different. I'm already sharing what I want to share with us today, but I will also have us play a game. So if you're on the live stream, you are welcome. You are most welcome to the live stream. I'm going to be putting out right. I'll be putting the radio. Tomorrow's live stream is going to be the last day for the 7 days live stream challenge. I'll be putting out a radio now, and I want us to just share. Look at the radio on the screen and tell me what you think. The question says I have three boxes, right? I have three boxes. Each box has four balls inside. If you take away two balls from each box, how many balls are left? Think carefully. What is the answer? All right, let me give you some time to read it, and give me your answer. I have three boxes. Each box has four balls inside, right? So box one has four balls, and then if you take away two balls from each of the box, right? How many balls are going to be left? Let's start with knowing. First of all, calculate how many balls do you actually even have, right? Say four balls in each of the boxes. So we have three boxes. We're going to have like 12 balls in total. If you take two from each, that's about, the answer should be about, if you take two, we have 12 balls. You take two, that's six. How many is going to be remaining? Is it six or is it seven? What is the answer? What do you think is the answer? Let me know in the comment section. I already know the answer, right? But I would like to hear from you. What's the answer? Let me know in the comment section. I have three boxes. Each of the box has four balls inside. If you take away two balls from each of the boxes, how many balls are left? Think carefully. What is the answer? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Just go ahead and leave it in the comment section. All right, so while you're answering that, I was sharing earlier. I said someone asked me a question which I think is actually a common question for creators. When you come on a live stream where you are showing your face, a face live stream, what can you be doing so that you don't feel bored? Because sometimes when you come on a live stream like this, you have just a few number of persons watching, especially for small creators. Sometimes you have a few number watching, some other times you might have a good number watching, but most of the times you might have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons watching. How do you keep the live stream engaging? How do you keep the live stream going without feeling bored, right? Without feeling weird, without feeling like you're talking to yourself? Because yes, there are sometimes, like I said, you are staring at your phone and you're not seeing anybody on the view count, and you've been wondering, okay, who am I talking to? Who am I talking to? Who am I? Am I just talking to myself when I'm not mad? So what do you do at this time? What do you do? Do you go ahead to just keep quiet, keep mute, or do you go ahead and just continue to share? Right. So I was sharing. I said there's something I do in this kind of situation. Rather than just come, I think there was a time when I didn't even know what to do as well. I didn't know how to have a live stream, a proper live stream. I had to, learn, how to research and understand how to have a proper live stream. So now what I do is before I come live, I go ahead and get my scripts, right? It could be a topic I already have in mind. It could be one that has been generated for me by what's it called? Any of the AI tools, ChatGPT or Gemini, must have generated one for me. I just either go out and use the script that has been generated, or I just come up with my own topic, and then ask ChatGPT or Gemini to help me expand on whatever topic I have. Right, then I use that as the script for the live stream. So even if nobody gets to join, it always means that I have something to say. I'll just go ahead and share, believing that when somebody comes on the live stream much later, they will be able to see something to get value from, right? Aside this kind of live stream where I'm doing a game like this, which I don't often do on this channel, right? Aside this kind of live stream, other times I get to ensure that I share something that is valuable, so when somebody else see the live stream on my channel or my page, they have something to learn from, they have something to watch and get information from it. All right, so that is what I was going to share earlier on today. I'll also talk about it tomorrow, right? I'll talk about it properly tomorrow, but for tonight, while the live stream is still on, you can share your opinion. Tell me the answer to the question on the screen. Tell me the answer to the question on the screen. You can just tell me your own answer. What do you think is the correct answer to the question on the screen? I travel around the world, but I never leave my corner. I have no legs, but I can take your place. I have no voice, but I can make you laugh, cry, or learn. People look at me every day, but many don't truly understand me. What am I? If you know the answer to this question, please use the chat box. Use the chat box and tell me in the comment section what you think. What's the answer to the riddle on the screen?